Good day, sir. So today I am going to discuss my output about the activity 3, which is the data cleaning and processing. So the goal here is to learn how to clean, standardize, and connect messy real-work data. So the first thing to do is I will create a message set that includes the full name, emails, status, and the product name. So para mas madali ang trabaho, ako na lang siya i-copy then i-paste to Excel website. In order to clean this data, we have to standardize the text first. Create a clean name column. The purpose of this is to fix capitalization and remove extra spaces. In order to achieve the clean name or fix the clean name, we have to copy the formula first. So the formula is equals proper, open parenthesis, stream, open parenthesis A2, then close parenthesis and close parenthesis. After that, drag pababa dayon para ma-automatic makuha ang result tanan. Let's proceed to number 2, handling missing data. First thing to do is to create an email check column. And the purpose of this is to identify the missing emails. So same process as the first, we have to copy the formula to get the results. As you can see, wala email si Sarah Connor kay wala siya email. So now let's proceed with the number 3, the standardizing categories, nested if or FS. So first thing to do is we're going to create a clean status column. Then standardize done, completed, if completed, then if canceled is canceled. Then same process, copy the formula, then paste to the clean status column. And as you can see, makita na nato sa ang formula sa ibabaw. Then after that, drag down to get the results. And for number 4, text to column or data processing. Right-click the email column, then click insert. Then one column left. Then select the full name, go to data and text to column. Then choose delimited or check space. This will split into first name and last name. So this is my final output for number 4. So now let's proceed to the removing duplicates. The goal here is to avoid duplicate records. The first exercise, we need to copy 2 to 3 rows and paste them at the bottom. Then we need to select entire dataset, Control A. Go to data and remove duplicates. Check all columns and click OK. So as you can see, na-remove na ang mga duplicates data. So lastly, data joins with VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP. First thing to do is we need to create a new sheet named pricing. After that, we need to create a two headers, which is the product name and the standard cost. For the product name, we have tablet, then the standard cost is 300, phone is 800, and charger is 25. So next, we're going to back to the main sheet. Then create a cost column and pull matching price. Same process, copy the formula and go to cost column and paste the formula. So as you can see, naka-NA siya kay dili man siya dito, kay ang dito man is represent as the status. And replace it into A2 kay mao man ni siya ang product name. Then para makuha na to ang all results. Product name and the standard cost. Thank you for listening. So, muratok na subtender. Thank you.